So I just got my spring FabFitFun box and I am so excited. First of all, it's so beautiful and springy, it has these amazing butterflies over it, and I am so excited to unbox it with you. So here we go. Now, if you aren't familiar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a subscription box that you get 4 times a year. It's seasonal. So spring, summer, fall, and winter. It's like Christmas 4 times a year delivered right to your door. And they are all full-size products and amazingly curated. We have decor, beauty, fitness, everything you could want and more. There's over $200 worth of product in this box, but if you use my code and it's your very first box ever, you are getting $10 off your first box, so it's $39.99. Oh my God, I'm so excited. This box is curated so well. I always love the products, and I love that you can customize. So you get to choose what you want. So I customized this product, and it is the Glow Wrinkle Treatment. It is light therapy. Now what this does, now this is like all the rage right now. Everyone is going to light therapy spas and getting it done. This is super convenient because you now have your own. That button. There you go. And the red light comes on, and what it's gonna do is you do it, and it has a timer. So you do 3 minutes on each part of your face. So you could do it while you're watching your favorite TV show. I like to do it while I'm watching the kids play because I get a little me time and I don't have to take away from anyone else. But what it's gonna do is it's gonna help produce your own natural collagen. So it's great for anti-aging. Just put it there. Into your whole face. So fun fact about this, if you were to go get this at the stores and pay retail value, it is $68. But this is something you can customize and add to your box. You have to try this. Next thing I got in my box is This Works. No, it's made by This Works, but this works. So this is the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, and amazing because you put it on at night, every night and morning, so you can put it on night after you take a bath, you're ready for bed, put it on your hands, all over your body, and breathe deep because it's relaxing. So it's gonna work on your body, help to moisturize, it's great for anti-aging, and it's also gonna help you sleep. So, yes. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. Fresh, calming. Just kidding, I didn't really fall asleep, but this is so nice to put all over your body and just get yourself in that state of relaxation. We all need to unwind at the end of the day, and this is perfect, and we get to give back to ourselves and our body at the same time. Love this product. Oh my gosh, my skin looks so smooth after putting it on. I love that. Next thing I got is this Jade Body Oil, and this is amazing. So I just have to spray this on. So silky, not thick, it's not oily. Goes right into your skin, moisturizes. So let me tell you what's in this because it's really cool. So this is made with pomegranate seed oil and grape seed oil, apricot kernel oil, so argan oil, vitamin E. So it's so nice and moisturizing for your skin. Smells really good. You get that fresh little bit of citrus kick to it. Oh my God. Oh, I'm so excited about this. So this is the Winky Lux Rainbow Balm. And what's great about this is you can put it on your lips, you can put it on your cheeks, and it's actually a little bit like a little mood stick because it's a pinky tinge, but it's your own body and warmth that's gonna bring out the color. So it's gonna be a little bit different on each person, which is the exciting part of it. So I'm gonna just show it on my hand, but so you have a little kind of peach, pinky tinge that you get. So you kind of get that fresh look if you don't want something too intense. This is a beauty product that is multi-purpose. So it's great because you can put it on your lips, you can put it on your cheeks, great on the go whenever you need a little pop of something, and it just looks fresh and great and gives you a little bit of color. And who doesn't like a mood-changing little rainbow stick? Very excited for these. So these are silicone straws because, as we know, plastic straws bad for the environment. We are all trying to protect our environment. So this is great. So you're giving back, and it's something really great for ourselves to use. You get 4 silicone straws in here. Let's check them out in like the cutest spring colors. OMG, look at these. So you get 4 silicone straws. You get the little cleaner for the straws, and so it also comes with this adorable little handy on-the-go container. So on the go, you're going out for the day, 2 of your faves, fold them in 3, stick it in, pop it in your purse, ready to go. Love this. I love these colors too. Yay. These are so cute. Whether you're drinking a whipped cream topped milkshake, green juice, or your favorite happy hour concoction, yes, collapsible, reusable. Love that these are reusable. Love that they're good for the environment. And let's face it, we like cute things and they're adorable. Here's another product that I was able to customize, and I picked this because I'm a huge fan of Tarte, and they make the prettiest makeup palettes. So this is the Tarte High Performance Naturals. So you're gonna get a highlight and contour palette. Let me open it and show you. So here is the Tarte Pro Glow. You get contour and highlights all in one palette. Cute, easy to open. Comes with your own mirror, so it's great on the go as well. So this is a palette where you get your highlight and you get your contour all in one. Now you have 6 here, which is so amazing. And we have 2 contours here. One is a shadow and one is actually cream. And then we have our beautiful highlights here. Great names: Lit, Strobe, Fire, Stunner, Shade, and Sculpt for the contour. So let's get a little lit. Oh yeah, it's so pretty. So it just has a little sheen to it. I'm gonna go with one a little deeper. This is like a highlight, shimmer, and contour all in one to add a little depth and bronzy. Oh, I just got a little tan there. Nice. Let's try the strobe highlight. So you see you really get shimmer. The highlights are so pretty, so you can use your highlights in these areas and then the contour in these areas. So what's so great about FabFitFun, I mean, there's so many things, but you get all full size products. So for instance, this Tarte, I was able to customize and add this because this is what I was really into. And I get my highlighter and my contours, and this, if you bought it retail, would be $45. So again, use my code, and if you're a first time user and you're buying your box for the first time, you're gonna get $10 off with my code. So that's $39.99 for this entire box. So if you bought this by itself, that would cost you more than what you're paying for this entire box. Great deal. So this is great because it's a 2-in-1 Purify and Glow mask collection. So you have the brush, so you can apply your masks. Really nice brush. So cute. The great thing here is you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 masks in one collection. You get 2 types of mask. So you're gonna have the purifying mud mask, and you're gonna have the Ready Glow exfoliating mask. And these are all golden root, brown sugar, so amazing. So the brown sugar Ready Glow exfoliating mask will gently exfoliate, and then it is going to make your skin glow. So it's so great. And then you have the purifying mud mask, is great to detoxify your skin. So it kind of brings it back. It's going to make it flawless, more youthful. So here you go, mud mask collection. So FabFitFun is so much more than just these amazing seasonal boxes that you get, because once you become a member, you get access to member-only sales, you get to be a part of an amazing community, and you get access to FabFitFun TV. But wait, there's more. FabFitFun just started their very own book club. So here is the first book that we'll all be reading and discussing with our community. So make sure you sign up, because this box is worth over $200 in products, and you can even customize some of your own products. I know. What are you waiting for? Enjoy.